Looking for a mutual fund category that adapts to every kind of market without restricting you to large, mid, or small caps? You are in the right place. Hi everybody, welcome to Seeds of Finance. Today we'll break down the best Equity Flexi-Cap funds based on the latest NAV dated 11th December 2025. What are Flexi-Cap funds? Flexi-Cap funds can invest anywhere across market caps. Large caps for stability, mid caps for expansion, small caps for high growth potential, and the fund manager can shift allocation dynamically depending on valuations, opportunities, and economic cycles. Why choose Flexi-Cap funds? 3 reasons make Flexi-Caps incredibly attractive. Diversification. Exposure across the entire market automatically spreads risk. Adaptability. Managers rotate between caps based on where growth is strongest. Long-term performance. Historically, Flexi-Caps have delivered consistent compounding over 7 to 10 year periods. HDFC Flexi-Cap Fund with an AUM of Rs 94,511.99 crore. The latest NAV of HDFC Flexi-Cap Fund is Rs 2,261.2020. It provides a 5-year return of 24.83%. Quant Flexi-Cap Fund with an AUM of Rs 6,682.79 crore. The latest NAV of Quant Flexi-Cap Fund is Rs 109.8997. It provides a 5-year return of 24.02%. Bank of India Flexi-Cap Fund with an AUM of Rs 2,208.38 crore. The latest NAV of Bank of India Flexi-Cap Fund is Rs 37.75. It provides a 5-year return of 23.06%. JM Flexi-Cap Fund with an AUM of Rs 5,766.95 crore. The latest NAV is Rs 110.0448. It provides a 5-year return of 21.89%. Parag Parikh Flexi-Cap Fund with an AUM of Rs 1,31,169.22 crore. The latest NAV is Rs 94.7350. It provides a 5-year return of 21.24%. How to invest smartly? To make the most of Flexi-Cap funds, use SIPs to reduce volatility impact. Stay invested for at least 5 to 7 years. Review your portfolio once a year, not every month. Don't pick too many funds. 1 or 2 Flexi-Caps are enough. Flexi-Cap equals the all-weather performer. Flexi-Cap fund offers the perfect mix of diversification, flexibility, and long-term growth. If you want an all-weather performer in your portfolio, this category deserves a place. Invest wisely, stay consistent, and let compounding do the magic. Subscribe for more investing breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.